Hello everyone, I'm Jason. This is Main Street English, here with another video to help you with your grammar. In this video, we are going to talk about combining sentences into compound sentences. To create a compound sentence, first, you need to understand what a conjunction is. A conjunction is a word that joins words or groups of words. Three common everyday conjunctions are and, or, but. Now, a compound sentence is two sentences joined by a conjunction. Let's run through a couple of examples to help us understand. Tim made his bed. Then he ate breakfast. We can combine these two simple sentences into a compound sentence using the conjunction and. Tim made his bed and then he ate breakfast. Another example. The chair is comfortable. I like the sofa better. We can combine these two simple sentences into a compound sentence using the conjunction but. The chair is comfortable, but I like the sofa better. That's it for now. Try to find opportunities to create compound sentences in your everyday English practice. Until next time, I'm Jason. This is Main Street English, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.